Hello and welcome to 1210 Spruce Street, Indianapolis 46143. This home is in the neighborhood of Fountain Square, which is an urban neighborhood on the outskirts of downtown Indianapolis, Indiana. For more information on this home, call 317-752-8622. This home is on the market today, the 20th of October 2024, for $319,000. The home is almost 1,100 square feet. It's in a beautiful neighborhood. Spruce Street has a neighborhood club. It's not an association. There are no covenants and restrictions. There are no dues. But there are neighbors that like to get together, enjoy time together, do things for each other, and there are even some neighborhood services provided, like gutter cleanout. This home at 1210 Spruce is in Center Township Southeast in Marion County, Indiana. It has a nice big covered front porch, and it has been completely remodeled. All new drywall, all new cabinetry, all new luxury vinyl plank flooring. This is the great room and kitchen combined. The home has new vinyl thermal pane windows and doors. White farmhouse modern style cabinetry, including this built-in pantry. The countertops in the island are granite, and there's a 3 to 4 person breakfast bar. The granite is really pretty, not too light, not too dark. We've got a deep farmhouse sink and a pull-down nozzle on the tall faucet, which makes it easier for filling pots and cleaning large pots and pans. We have all new GE appliances, brand new refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, and microwave. This is a beautiful stove. It's a 5-burner. Including the elongated griddle burner in the middle. It is a gas stove and range. And then a big GE refrigerator. It is counter depth, so it doesn't stick out into the room. And it has a really nice, fully featured water and ice dispenser. It's got nice pulls on this cabinetry and lots of storage space in the island and around the kitchen. For more information, call 317-752-8622. Again, this home is about 1,100 square feet, and it's on the market today, October 20th, for $319,000. We've got a digital thermostat, and I'm going to show you the bedrooms. We're going to start with the master suite, or what we now call the owner suite. Here's access to the crawl space and cellar, where there's a brand new gas furnace and water heater. This is considered the owner suite or the primary bedroom. This home is a very unusual configuration with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on the main floor, and a 2-car garage. Perfect for 2 people or for 1 person that likes to have company. This is a big room with a large closet and an ensuite bath. Beautiful bath. All new cabinetry, fixtures, plumbing, and electrical in this home. A lot of work was done on the foundation and the flooring. Look at this big step-in shower with tile all the way around and a fiberglass basin at the bottom. That's 1 bedroom. Let's take a look at the backyard before we go see The second bedroom. Nice big backyard, fully fenced. 2 decks, 2 levels, nice landscaping. There's a lot planted in the bed. There's a fire pit. There's a gate and a 2-car garage with a service door. Lots of light coming in the thermal windows and doors. Now, this is the laundry area. Notice extra cabinetry has been put into the laundry area for storage. For 1,100 square feet, this home has a lot of storage. And of course, you can store things in the cellar. This is the second bedroom. Both of these bedrooms have low profile ceiling fans. This has a walk-in closet, or maybe we should call it a step-in closet, rather than sliding doors. 1 window, generously sized, and its own bath. Hi, please call 317-752-8622 for more information about this beautiful home. We've got a 2-piece, molded, low maintenance shower and tub combination, a featured mirror, Edison-style light fixtures throughout the home, lots of storage in this featured vanity, and black stainless steel fixtures and faucets. Beautiful multicolored gray and beige luxury vinyl plank flooring. This home is on the market today, the 20th of October, for $319,000. It is newly flipped and no one has lived in it. Currently, since there is no homestead exemption or mortgage exemption, taxes are $1,700 twice a year, but that will go down dramatically. Please call 317-752-8622 to come and see this beautiful, newly renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Thanks.